good morning. Welcome back to a new video. In this video, I have a Cisco ASR9K. My customer, they sent me three different line cards. This is a 24 ports, dual rate, 10 gig and 1 gig line cards. They want to make sure that the same AOS XR 32-bit running on the root processor match the operating system on the line cards. So let me show you how to execute that. So we need to make sure that the units, that the line cards are booting properly and they match the same 32-bit software. After that, we are running a few diagnostic commands just to make sure that everything is working properly. So let me show you how to execute that. The chassis, the ASR9K already boot, and let me show you how to check if the AOS XR running on the root processor is the same on running on the line cards. Let me show you that. So root, so show version brief, show platform, show install commit. That will give you, the operating system running on the root processor and also on the line cards. Let's check. So we have the root processor right here. So this is the operating system, right? Look, the line card, they are running the same operating system. This is a 32-bit version, so very important. My customer wants that. So you can execute show platform, location, summary, location, all, and give you a little more information about the modules, about the root processor, right? Also, you can check the operating system right there, right there, here, right? And also you can check show Diag, give you more specific information about the modules, and you can also check show H modules FPD, which is basically the FPGA version running, location, all. Show inventory, right there, guys, and show environment, all. So I already have a video on my channel how to upgrade the root processor. So if you guys want some more information about that, check the video. Let me show you the video. It's this one right here. Look at that. Cisco ASR RSP AOS XR upgrade. So if you want to know how to upgrade the software on the root processor, that is the video right there. So that's basically, guys, how do you match or how do you check if the AOS XR is running on the root processor is the same and match the version running on the line cards. And thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.